Multiplying decimals with number chips. This is the Easter version. This is a digital lesson. So it starts out explaining to the students how to move the decimal points. So you want to move the decimal points all the way to the right and then multiply as if they were whole numbers. And then when you get your product, move the decimal point back, same number of places. So it gives a couple slides where it shows that example. Here you're going to move the decimal point one place to the right. There's only one to move. Then you multiply as if they were whole numbers, and then move that decimal point one place back to the left in your answer. Next slide shows an example when you're moving two places because you have two decimal points. So you're moving two places to the right, multiply as if they're whole numbers, and then move back two places to the left in your answer. So students are going to start on slide 5. Now they have all the number chips they need to solve the problem, to multiply the decimals. The problem starts out pretty easy and then they get a little more difficult as you go. It starts with looking at the first term you're multiplying. How many places are you moving that decimal point to the right? So they just type in a 2. The second number, they're going to move one place to the right. So type in a 1. And that means they've moved a total of 3 places to the right. And that's going to help them when they have to place the decimal point in their answer. So we're going to be placing these numbers in the correct place. 8 times 3 is 24, so they just click and hold on the edge, move it into place. I'm going to carry a 2, so 3 times 9 is 27 plus 2 is 29. I'm going to carry a 2. And then 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2. Now they're also going to move their decimal point, so now they have to move it back 3 places to the left, and there's where it goes in the answer. So they have several problems to do. They get a little bit more difficult as they go. So if they get down to the end and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So lots of practice. Each slide has a yellow heart in the upper right-hand corner with a letter in it. They're going to use that in order to solve the final riddle. So there's an Easter riddle. These are all the products from each slide. So students are going to go back and they're going to find this answer. And then when they find it, they're going to take the letter that's in the yellow heart and they're going to type it here above its answer. And they're going to do that with each one of these products. And when they do, it should solve the riddle, why should you never show Easter eggs a scary movie? So that's a digital lesson, multiplying decimals with number chips, the Easter version.